What's going on, my virtual home? I hope you guys are just having the greatest day. Guys, you probably guessed it. We're coming back with another product unboxing and first look. Guys, we are doing a product review, a first look with another Amazon surprise. Guys, Amazon is just great. Matter of fact, I'm going to update really all the links on the page so that you guys can actually see all of our affiliate links all in one place on the videos. So like, let's just say I'm doing a video, I'm going to put the information about that particular video, but below that we're just going to make sure that every significant offer that we have, you guys um, are having access to check those out. Speaking of, guys, we are doing an unboxing. We are so excited um, about this product. It is another lingerie product. So, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and get to it. We're going to open up this lingerie, guys. Let us know what you think about it in the comments, guys. We've been opening up a lot of lingerie here, so if you haven't seen some of our recent videos, y'all go ahead and check them out. Without further ado, I have my handy dandy blade, and we're going to go ahead and get this package open. We're going to cut close to the top because we do not want to pierce the products inside. No, we do not. And we're going to cut away from ourselves. Very important. Alright. We're going to put our blade back down. Pull out our lingerie pieces. First of all, one of the first things that's striking me right now is the color. I love the color. It's really, really vibrant, guys. It looks very, very fun. Also, that lace right there looks very, very fun. So, let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get into this product and see what good things we have in store. Oh, first thing I am seeing looks to be like a belt. Very satin-like, very soft. Very high quality material. Okay, pretty. I am seeing like just a little loose thread, but that's fine. But hey, work it out. I think you can do multiple things. You probably even make a choker, especially like if you're like wearing lingerie normally. You could take this and just make a real cute choker. Y'all check that out. What? Multi-talented. No, I'm saying seriously, you can do a lot of things with this belt. Let's see what else we have here. I guess we'll get into the actual set. Okay, I like these straps. This is an adjustable strap, which is very, very good. You know, um, it looks like there's a lot of support for cleavage, which is very good. And the lace is very good. Like, guys, let's give some lace detail. Y'all see that lace? Oh my God, it is so pretty. It looks like it may be like a flower or a floral design on this lace, but check out that pattern. How amazing. So I really think the lace is very, very cute. Again, so we have a double strap V-neck, okay, double strap V. Uh, it's like a little halter top situation, so you can kind of see that, and then it just goes around the back, maybe about a 6-inch back on here. So yeah, there you have it. So this is the top, guys. check us out. Let's take a look at the stitching. I think the stitching is okay. So this is like the stitch right here where the strap meets the actual halter. So yeah, I think it was done pretty decent. So there you have it. And then it actually comes with some bottoms. You know, we've been looking at thongs on this channel like crazy, so it's good to see a little bit more coverage. So yeah, you get a little bit more coverage. It's not quite the boy short, but it's really cute. That really beautiful lace design follows through in the bottoms. Another thing that I'm noticing that is pretty cool is this solid um, middle part, okay? Oh, and it also has, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it does have like a little, it has a lace, but then on the other side it's a solid. So you got a lace and a solid. It is so cute. The solid is very silky, making it easy to clean. Very cute. I do like that this middle part, where your middle part goes, is thick. It is, it looks like about maybe 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches. So it is pretty wide, which is really good. You're going to get pretty good coverage there. So yeah, guys, I'm loving these bottoms. I think they're extra sexy. Let us know in the comments, what do you guys think about these bottoms? Okay, and so yeah, this is our bottom piece, and then this is our top piece. So, you know, how should I say? Oh, let's turn it around. This is our top piece, and then this is our bottom, okay? So guys, real cute. Now, check this out. Not only do we have bottoms, but we also have shorts, okay? Check these shorts out. First thing I'm noticing is this bow and the softness of the material. Love the bow. Love the bow. The bow is stitched, so you don't have to continue to tie it. It's already stitched. I love that they continued the lace and also made it fun, kind of like with the little stringy lace situation. So let's give this some lace cam. Check that out, guys. So very nice on the pants. I mean the shorts here. I think they're very sexy, giving me, you know, nighttime vibes. So, you know, real cute. So this looks like we had a 4-piece in this particular lingerie set. Guys, I will be putting the link below. This is going to be our Amazon link. Check this out. So this is our, oh, I just love the lace on the arm. It is looks like a quarter arm, so I think that's sexy. I like the wideness of the arm, leaving a lot of good space there. But yeah, this is what you get as far as the throw over. Very sexy. The lace is continued at the trim, and it follows the fun lace design of the shorts. So I think that is just super cute, guys. Multi-layered piece here, okay? Again, we have 4 pieces. You have your spaghetti strap V-neck halter. Bam, bam. Then you have your decent coverage and wide middle part lace bottoms, okay? And then you have your shorts. This is the back. The front is complete with the little bow design. I think they really added the flirt kind of theme with these with this set here. And of course, you have your throw over, you know, quarter arm, and you also have your belt for your throw over. But guys, I'm telling you, I'm not sure if I saw belt loops on the throw over. So no, I'm not seeing any belt loops on the throw over. So you'll just adjust this belt. But let's just say you're wearing the halter and the bottoms, and maybe or maybe not the shorts. I'm back at it. Yes, you could still add a choker. Yeah, I think this would make a good choker. I think it would. So guys, let us know what you think. This is such a fun lingerie set. I think it's super fun. So yeah, with that being said, guys, there you have it. The link will be in the description where you can place your order. Y'all make sure y'all are ordering with our links. Every time that you use a link on this page, it's not there for no reason at all. We are going to get a small commission, and it does help us bring you quality content. Okay, so with that being said, guys, hey, if you like this video, like the video, actually hit the like button. It definitely lets us know that this kind of content is something that you enjoy, and it sends us a message to create more content like this. Guys, if you want to be a part of the family, we're open. Like, we really want you here. How big we're going to get, who knows? We're going to leave that up to God. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, let us know in the comments. We'll love to love all over you. And guys, if you want to be the very first to get material as soon as we drop new content, then hit the bell notification button above. When you do that, when we drop a new video, you are going to get a notification every time there is a new video on my virtual home. With that being said, guys, we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you on the next video.